Hi there, it's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my holiday-inspired Disney ears. I love this project because I have definitely been missing Disneyland, and I think this is the perfect way to bring the Disney holiday magic to your home. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ears that you can create using pom-poms, flowers, ornaments, and more. You'll need a headband. I prefer metal over plastic because when they stretch, they're less likely to snap. Wire style of your choice. Something to use as a mold to get that perfect circle. Hot glue. Scissors. Wire cutters. Something to wrap the headband with. Decorations of choice. The possibilities are really endless here. Optional pom-pom makers. To start, you're going to wrap your guide with the wire you chose. I usually prefer a roll of packing tape or painter's tape, but I couldn't find one for this project, so I'm using a mug instead. And just make sure to wrap the wire where it meets and leave the ends longer. Repeat that once more. Using the roll of tape as your mold allows you to slide the wire off of it without you having to untwist it. Wrap all the ends around your headband. I'm using old ears to check the placement to make sure I like it. Then begin to glue the ears in place. Cover the ends of wire with hot glue so that they don't poke you at all. Wrap your headband with the material of choice. You can use yarn, twine, rope, even ribbons. Hot glue small sections down at a time. Thread the yarn through the ears to really anchor them in place. Remove any hot glue spider webs. And your base is done. Now I'm going to show you how I add flowers, leaves, ornaments, and other decorations to these ears. Start by planning out where you want everything to go. I start with the bigger items first since they take up the most space. Begin to glue the first items down that you want to work around. Sometimes you'll need to hold it in place while it dries. Continue to add the rest of your big items. Begin to fill in your gaps with greenery or smaller flowers. I always check the placement of things, flipping the ears back and forth. Trim any excess stems. Here I'm using moss as a filler, but you can also use more flowers or leaves. Make sure to decorate the back as well. And lastly, I'm adding my smaller decorations. Here I chose mushrooms, but you can also add things like bells or other tiny holiday details. Clean up any strands of hot glue. And this pair is done. Now I'm going to show you the pom-pom ears. This is a great option if you don't want to use hot glue and you just want to use things that you can actually tie onto the headband. I'm creating my pom-poms with these little pom-pom makers I found on Amazon. How many times am I going to say pom-pom in this video? Leave long enough string so we can tie it to our headband. Plan it out, again using the biggest items first, and fill in the rest of the space. And then just begin to start tying them onto the headband, starting with the ones you liked the placement of the best. Fill in the extra space. Trim the ends and you're done. This one is super easy to assemble. Again, no hot glue needed to tie them on. Lastly, I wanted to show you the 5 different variations that I created. I thought it would be a bit boring watching me assemble the same thing over and over again. So here you can see that I created some with ornaments, bells. I even decorated the wire itself on a couple of them, gluing little leaves onto the wire. And I made one where the ears look like wreaths, which I think is a super cute idea. This video was able to bring a little Disney magic into your home. I will definitely be wearing these ears as I watch my Disney movies this holiday season. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.